privileged to conduct this significant faculty development program in association with Pharmacy Council of India, an organization playing a vital role in advancing pharmacy education. It is also a matter of immense pride for PA Pharmacy College that our institution has recently been awarded the prestigious QCI NABET Grade A accreditation and has been ranked 6th among the pharmacy colleges in Karnataka and 51st in India. This remarkable achievement reflects our unwavering commitment to quality education, innovation, and academic excellence.
The landscape of pharmacy education is continuously evolving. With the implementation of the National Education Policy 2020, the revised PCA curriculum, the growing importance of outcome-based education, and the rapid emergence of artificial intelligence and digital technologies, educators today have an increasingly important role to play. This faculty development program is an endeavor to empower pharmacy educators with contemporary knowledge, innovative approaches, and new perspectives that can contribute towards creating competent, skilled, and future-ready pharmacy professionals. As educators, we are not merely imparting knowledge, we are shaping the professionals who will contribute to the future of healthcare. With this thought, we begin this meaningful and enriching program by seeking the blessing of the Almighty. For every good endeavor begins with His divine grace. I now request Mr. Salmanul Farish to lead us in the prayer.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنا فتحنا لك فتحا مبينا ليغفر لك الله ما تقدم من ذنبك وما تأخر ويتم نعمته عليك ويهديك صراطا مستقيما وينصرك الله نصرا عزيزا هو الذي أنزل السكينة في قلوب المؤمنين ليزدادوا إيمانا مع إيمانهم ولله جنود السماوات والأرض وكان الله عليما حكيما. Indeed, we have granted you a clear victory, so that Allah may forgive you your past and your future shortcomings, complete His favor upon you, guide you to a straight path, and that Allah may help you with a mighty victory. Allah promised strong and lasting support. It is Allah sent down peace into the heart of the believers so that they could increase in faith along with their faith. To Allah belong the forces of the heavens and the earth, and Allah is all-knowing, all-wise. Sadaqallahul Aliyyul Azim.
Farish for that soulful prayer. May the divine blessings guide us throughout this program and inspire us to continue our journey towards excellence in education.
A warm welcome is not merely an expression of courtesy, it is a reflection of our gratitude for the presence of those who have taken the time to be with us. It is now my privilege to invite Dr. Mohammad Mubin, Vice Principal, PA College of Pharmacy, to deliver the welcome address and formally welcome the dignitaries and participants to today's faculty development program.
Honorable Chief Guest, esteemed guests of honor, distinguished guests, respected principals from various colleges, faculty members, delegates, participants, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. A very good morning to one and all. It is indeed a matter of immense pleasure and profound honor to stand before this august gathering and extend a warm, heartfelt and gracious welcome to each and every one of you to this prestigious faculty development program organized by PA College of Pharmacy in association with the Pharmacy Council of India. Today's program provides a valuable platform for transformation, innovation and professional excellence in an era where healthcare technology and education are evolving at an unprecedented pace. Educators are expected to continuously upgrade their knowledge, refine their teaching methodologies, and prepare students to address the emerging challenges of global healthcare. The implementation of the National Education Policy 2020 and the revised Pharmacy Council of India curriculum has brought about a paradigm shift in pharmacy education. The focus has moved beyond conventional classroom teaching towards outcome-based education, competency development, interdisciplinary learning, digital transformation, artificial intelligence, innovation, entrepreneurship, and lifelong learning. Therefore, programs as this are not merely important, they are indispensable. They empower educators to become facilitators of innovation, mentors to future healthcare professionals, and architects of a stronger and more responsible healthcare system. This faculty development program is a significant step towards ensuring that we prepare our students not merely for examinations, but for the rapidly changing world of pharmaceutical sciences, healthcare, and patient care. At this moment, it is my proud privilege to extend a respectful and heartfelt welcome to our chief guest, Mr. Jashubai Hirabai Chaudhary, Vice President, Pharmacy Council of India. Due to his official commitments, he could not be with us in person today. However, he will be joining the program virtually. We are honored to have his presence and guidance as part of this faculty development program. Mr. Jashubai Hirabai Chaudhary is a distinguished leader in the field of pharmacy education. His contributions towards strengthening pharmaceutical education and regulatory standards across the country, together with his commitment to academic excellence and progressive educational reforms, have earned him great respect in the pharmacy profession. I also take this opportunity to extend a warm welcome to our esteemed guests of honor. A cordial welcome to Dr. Satish Chandran Chandrasekhar Shanai, Sharat Chandra Shanai, Central Council Member, Pharmacy Council of India, and Assistant Professor, Government Medical College, Kannur, Kerala. Sir, your dedication to strengthening pharmacy education, promotion academic excellence, and advancing professional development is truly commendable. We are honored by your gracious presence and participation in this program. Sir, a very warm welcome to you.
I request Mr. Sharafuddin PK, AGM Campus, to welcome the guest of honor, Dr. Sarat Chandran Chandrasekhar Shanai, with the sapling.
We are privileged to have with us Dr. B. Munir Ahmed, Director RATI, Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Bangalore. Sir, your expertise in faculty development, curriculum innovation, research promotion, and quality enhancement has greatly contributed to the advancement of higher education in Karnataka. Your valuable insights and guidance today will certainly enrich and inspire all the participants. Sir, we extend a warm welcome to you.
I request our principal, Dr. Salimullah Khan, to welcome the guest of honor, Dr. B. Munir Ahmed, with a sapling.
I take immense pleasure in welcoming our distinguished guests from the PA Educational Trust Institutions, Mr. Sharfuddin PK, Assistant General Manager, PAET Campus, Dr. Syed Amin Ahmed, Dean Student Affairs, PAET Institutions and Director Center for Management Studies and Research, Mr. Harris Tedi, Purchase Manager, PAET. We sincerely thank all of you for sparing your valuable time to grace this occasion with your esteemed presence. Welcome you all. A special word of appreciation and welcome goes to our respected principal, Dr. Salimullah Khan, who is also a Central Council member of the Pharmacy Council of India and Chairman Board of Studies UG Pharmacy RGHS. Sir, your dynamic leadership, academic vision and constant encouragement have been instrumental in organizing this meaningful program. Your dedication to the advancement of pharmacy education continues to inspire both faculty and students. Sir, we extend our heartfelt welcome and sincere appreciation to you. Welcome, sir. I also warmly welcome all the resource persons, chairpersons, faculty members, delegates, researchers, participants from various colleges, members of the organizing committee, and representatives from the media. Your enthusiastic participation and presence are the true strength and success of this faculty development program. Dear participants, I am confident that today's sessions will not only enhance our professional competencies, but will also inspire us to embrace innovation, integrate technology into education, and transform our classrooms into centers of creativity, critical thinking, and excellence. Let us make the best use of this wonderful opportunity to learn from distinguished experts, exchange ideas, share experiences, build professional networks, and collectively contribute towards strengthening pharmacy education in India. With these words, I once again extend my heartfelt welcome to all our esteemed dignitaries, resource persons, principals, faculty members, delegates, and participants. May this faculty development program be highly successful, enriching, and memorable for everyone. Thank you. Wishing you all a productive, insightful, and inspiring day ahead. Thank you.
Extend a very warm welcome to you, sir.
Every meaningful beginning is a celebration of growth, hope, and new possibilities. Today, we are inaugurating this faculty development program through a simple yet deeply meaningful gesture, the watering of a plant. A plant represents growth, nurturing, sustainability, and continuous development. Just as a plant requires care, nourishment, and a conducive environment to grow, education too requires continuous nurturing, innovation, and dedication. May I now request our esteemed dignitaries to kindly come forward for the inaugural ceremony by watering the plant. As we hope that the knowledge, ideas, and innovations shared during this FDP will flourish and create a lasting impact on pharmacy education. With this, we officially declare the Faculty Development Program inaugurated.
Now, it is my privilege to introduce our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Jashubai Hirabai Chowdhury, Vice President of the Pharmacy Council of India. We are honored to have him, who will be joining us virtually for the inauguration of this FDP. Mr. Chaudhary hails from Mehsana district of Gujarat and holds a Bachelor of Pharmacy degree along with an MBA. With nearly 6 years of dedicated service to the Gujarat State Pharmacy Council, he has served as its registrar and is currently a member of the Gujarat State Pharmacy Council as a nominee of the Pharmacy Council of India, advancing professional standards across the country. As the Vice President of PCI, Mr. Chaudhary's leadership and commitment continue to contribute significantly to the growth and transformation of pharmacy education and practice in India. His virtual presence today will add immense value and significance to this faculty development program, especially as we gather to deliberate on the revised PCI curriculum, outcome-based education, digital transformation, artificial intelligence, and implementation of NEP 2020 in pharmacy education. Sir, though you are joining us virtually, your presence is truly invaluable and we are deeply grateful for your time and encouragement. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in extending a warm and enthusiastic welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Jashubai Hirabai Chaudhary, Vice President of Pharmacy Council of India, with a big round of applause. Sir.
Hope I am properly audible to everyone all the way to Mangalore.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much, Madam, for confirming. Though I wanted to be there personally, in fact, I wanted to be there. I wanted to meet people, principals, faculties of Mangalore. But unfortunately, due to other engagements, I had to, cancel my program. So I'll start my speech saying sorry to all of you for not being able to with you all today morning. In a wonderful program, faculty development program, as it is being organized by Pharmacy Council of India. We have with us today our Honorable Member of Pharmacy Council of India from Karnataka State, Dr. Salimullah Khan, our one more enthusiastic and hard-working member from the state of Kerala, Dr. Sharat Chandranji, and all other dignitaries present on the stage today. I hope we have a resource person also who have been sent from PCI there. So it's a wonderful opportunity for you all to go through what are the new things which have been accommodated in the new syllabus. So I wish you all a happy learning and I welcome you all on this PCI platform where a new initiative has been taken. You must have seen so far that a new syllabus, the last syllabus BPharm, when it was introduced in 2014, and it took almost 2-3 years to get implemented. But this time Pharmacy Council of India, as you can say, it's been introduced this year only, and Pharmacy Council is trying to make sure that this BPharm syllabus gets implemented right in the very first year, very first academic year. So that's how our team works, and that is why the name of the program, as you can say, FDP, Effective Implementation of New BPharm Syllabus. Our young team of Pharmacy Council of India is trying to make sure that we introduce you to our new syllabus. We want to make you aware of the new things which have been brought into the practice, and more importantly, we want to make sure that you understand the reasons behind why the changes have been brought. Today, Dr. Sharat Chandran is there. He is going to speak to you about the syllabus in detail. He'll say that why these many changes have been brought. So many, hard work, so many exercises was done throughout the India. So many, would say, workshops were conducted. It was not a one-day planning or one-day result. So many effective workshops of different, subjects were conducted with different subject experts throughout the India, and hundreds of, I would say thousands of experts of different subjects were involved in preparing this syllabus. And as we are meeting all the faculties throughout the India through this FDP, we have come to know that everybody is appreciating this new syllabus. Because there are so many things, as we know, when you introduce a new syllabus, we have to make sure that it is updated. Things are updated day by day. Sometimes you feel that which is relevant today may not be relevant the day after tomorrow. And it's been almost 10 years since our B.Pharm syllabus was changed, and it was need of our that, the technological elements, the newer advancements which are happening day by day in our field of pharmacy, they have to be properly brought into the syllabus. And if we people being syllabus cannot bring these things into practice, it would definitely be an injustice to our students. So wonderful syllabus brought by our team, which have worked day and night to prepare this syllabus. And in addition to that, this team is traveling all across India to help you understand the things which are brought into practice. If you see, a resource person also, Dr. Mutalik ji was there in Ahmedabad yesterday. Sharad ji was there in Ahmedabad yesterday. They took their, lectures, left from their Ahmedabad. They traveled all the way to Bangalore, and I came to know that Dr. Mutalik traveled all night. He left at 11 at night and he reached to Bangalore in the morning. That to deliver a lecture on the changes which have been brought into the syllabus. So this is how our young team is working. We wish that those who are learned faculties are there, those who can speak on such topics, who can share their knowledge. We wish to provide them the platform to update the knowledge of other newer faculties, other junior faculties. So I congratulate Dr. Salimullah Khan for organizing such a wonderful FDP. We need to know this syllabus which has been prepared. The most important thing it is prepared in alignment with NEP. Our Prime Minister has been talking about a Viksit Bharat, a vision of Viksit Bharat 2047. And we people want to make, want to bring lot many changes in the education system as per NEP 2020. So we are the first council actually who have prepared a syllabus in alignment with NEP 2020. No MCI, no medical council, dental, nursing, they have not make changes as per the NEP 2020. So biggest achievement of our team that so many elements of NEP 2020 which could be at least whatever could be implemented, we have introduced in our syllabus. Technological advancements, as we have been seeing, that AI, machine learning, and all those things have been incorporated in our syllabus. Sometimes the faculties, they are scared of teaching all these things. They think that are we going to teach AI? Are we capable of teaching AI and machine learning to our students? So, dear friends, it's time for us. It's not that much in deep. You'll come to know, I think, Akash ji is going to, give you an overview about, components of AI in our syllabus. It's superficial, something which you can, basic things which has to be taught to our students. It's a need of honor, and definitely we need to update ourselves. We don't need to invite engineering people to teach, Python and AI related things to our students. So get updated. This is our time. If we don't update, if I say why we are conducting FDP, one thing I said to make you aware about the effective implementation of syllabus. And the other thing is that we want to update you. This is the first time ever in the history of Pharmacy Council of India that Pharmacy Council of India itself is conducting FDP. The reason being, we personally believe that it's time that our faculties have to be updated. Education is a continuous learning process. And if we do not update, if somebody says I am complete, nobody is complete in any part. But as far as education is concerned, no one is complete. You can try to achieve completeness. So you need to continuously keep on updating yourselves. And now it's time you are facing students who are of the generation of Gen Z. Quite difficult for you all to teach, hold for 1 hour. It's very much difficult. You people are doing a fantastic job, but to cope up with this new generation students, you will have to continuously keep on updating yourself as far as these technological advancements are concerned. So we, being PCI, are trying to make efforts that you continuously keep on updating. And ultimately, we will try to make as many efforts as we can do to update our faculties. You must be aware of so many initiatives. As I've got a platform to talk to you, I would like to talk to you about some initiatives which have been taken about Pharmacy Council of India this year. So you must have known Pharmacy Council of India as a regulatory body who is basically dealing with just inspections and providing approvals. That was the only thing which PCI used to do for years together, and sometimes change in syllabus. These are the basic duties which Pharmacy Council of India used to do. But nowadays, a young team which you can say is quite energetic, and we've got a very enthusiastic young leader, Dr. Montu Kumar Patelji, and under his leadership, this year we are working in multi-directionals to make sure that all stakeholders of pharmacy, they get benefited, whether it be academicians, could it be students, practicing pharmacists. We are working for everybody. And as far as our faculties are concerned, we have recently introduced a program called Capsule. You all must be aware about Capsule, creating able pharmacists for sustainable leadership. We feel that it's time for us, there could be so many experienced teachers in our state too, who have been serving the profession for 20, 30 years or more than that. But now, looking at the technological advancements, the changes which are coming in the education, a new generation, it's time for the young generation to take charge. And therefore, Pharmacy Council of India is making sure that we nurture our new generation, next generation, to become the leaders. So we are inviting faculties from all across India to Pharmacy Council of India headquarters. We are training for 2 days for leadership qualities, and that's a wonderful program which is widely accepted, widely appreciated all across India. So again, I request all of you to take part in this capsule program. The capsule program is open for all faculties. It's not just for principals and directors, to inform you, but how you might not be aware how to participate in the program. You can reach to the program by a recommendation from our PCI member. So either you can contact Dr. Salimullah Khanji or Dr. Sharadji, anybody, they will refer your names to Pharmacy Council of India to participate in the capsule program. So again, that's a new initiative which was never taken in the history of 75 years of Pharmacy Council of India. Aadhaar-enabled biometric system, if you see, it's a very important step which has been taken recently by Pharmacy Council of India under the leadership of Dr. Montu Kumar Patelji for quality educations. And sometimes we faculty, in the beginning, we are feeling that it's a very hard step, and you might be feeling that you're facing problems. But friends, believe me, it's for the benefit of our faculties only. Institutions will have to make sure that they keep the number of faculties which are actually required, and therefore employability of our faculties is also going to increase due to implementation of Aadhaar. And the kind of problems we are facing with MPharm students non-attending, sometimes they don't regularly attend the classes, DPharm students. So Pharmacy Council of India has recently made compulsory ABAS present for MPharm students also. So again, it's going to add to the quality of MPharm education. And in time to come, we are going to launch the same scheme for DPharm students and later on for BPharm students also. So continuously, Pharmacy Council of India is working in multi-directions. As I said, we are trying to nurture the, research attitude in the students and faculties also. So you all must have heard about the Anveshan program we conducted in Karnataka. We conducted all over India, 25 state level programs, so Anveshan were conducted. And almost 9 winners in 3 different tracks were identified. They were honored, they were rewarded, and finally we conducted a national level Anveshan program where those state level winners of 3 different tracks, they were invited to national level Anveshan program at Ahmedabad, and again they got to compete with the other state winners also. And finally, it was a big achievement. The national winners were again awarded and rewarded. So again, it's a very wonderful program, Anveshan, which is being organized by Pharmacy Council of India. We are coming up with so many schemes for teachers also, like the kind of schemes which AICT used to provide. It is in pipeline. Very shortly we are going to launch, and you'll get good news. Probably next month only we are going to launch those schemes for our teachers also. We are going to honor, this is the first time again I would say, there are so many quality teachers who have never looked for any prestige, or they were just simple teachers. They just contributed a lot to students. And this time Pharmacy Council of India has first time decided to honor such teachers on the Teachers Day, 5th September. Next month only we are going to invite 150 such senior teachers all across India, 5-6 from each state, and we are going to honor that. So Pharmacy Council of India nowadays is trying to make sure that teachers get due respect, due salary, and due honor at their institutions also. So it's good to see you all today. There are so many more initiatives which are being taken at Pharmacy Council of India, but I always wish that the inauguration program be kept short and more time be allotted to our speakers. I know you have many queries regarding the implementation of new syllabus, so I wish to give more time to our speakers. I wish you all happy learning once again, and I congratulate Dr. Salimullah Khan and his institute for organizing such a wonderful FTP, for collating the knowledge from some experts to the new learners. Thank you very much for inviting me. Once again, I beg your pardon for not being able to be present there. I have promised Salimullah Khan ji to be there in some another program. But thank you very much. Wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning,
Vice
Doctor.
President, sir. We truly understand the problems because of which you could not attend this function, and we fully understand that, and we are very much thankful that you made time to come online and address the participants and the teachers here, and your overview of the syllabus and other initiatives being taken in the Pharmacy Council was truly insightful for all the participants here, and which is very important that the stakeholders, especially the teachers, should know what Pharmacy Council of India is doing, and especially in the last few years, which has taken various schemes, various programs on a war footing basis, and for which all the entire Pharmacy Council of India, President, Vice President, and the Central Council members have pulled their socks and working hard 24/7 to make sure that those schemes are being taken down to the stakeholders, and stakeholders be benefited. Thank you very much, sir. And a presentation, we would like to present a memento to
Small token of appreciation and gratitude.
though we cannot send like this, and we request Dr. Sharath to
Sharath can step for me.
Dr. Sharath to accept a memento on behalf of Jasubai Chowdhury, Honorable Vice President of Pharmacy Council of India. Thank you.
It is now our privilege to express our gratitude and appreciation to our esteemed chief guest. As a token of our respect and appreciation for gracing this occasion with your presence, we would like to felicitate Mr. Jashubai Hirabai Chowdhury, Vice President, Pharmacy Council of India. My request, Dr. Sharat Chandran, to please receive the memento on his behalf.
Okay, thank you very much, Dr. Khan.
Thank you, sir. If you
Okay,
are busy,
sir.
you can take.
I'll take all your sleeves, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, thank you, sir.
Sarat Chandran Chandrasekhar Shenoy, Central Council Member, Pharmacy Council of India and Assistant Professor, Government Medical College, Kannur, Kerala. Dr. Shenoy brings with him valuable experience and insights in the field of pharmacy education and healthcare. His presence today adds great significance to our program, and we look forward to hearing his thoughts on empowering pharmacy educators in the context of changing educational and professional landscape. May I now invite Dr. Sarat Chandran, sir, to address the gathering.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, senior principals, professors, dear colleagues, it's indeed a pleasure and privilege to be here at PA College of Pharmacy on behalf of FDP, organized in collaboration with Pharmacy Council of India. As already our Honorable Vice President Jashubai Chowdhury has stated, this is a big initiative which has been taken by the Council, probably for the first time, because earlier syllabuses were launched, it was released, but for the first time, Council felt it should be done in an appropriate way. So as part of this exercise, I think from the middle of the July, Pharmacy Council of India has started these FDP programs, and most of the programs were addressed directly by either Honorable President or by the Honorable Vice President. And we started from Delhi, the program, which traveled almost most of the cities. Like we have gone to north, we have been to east, south. So it's a great exercise. And to be honest, nearly 68 such FDPs are in pending. And we are getting more and more requests. And most of the time I feel that request is because of something called as Python. And people are a little bit concerned with Python, and I will assure you that Python need not be a spot of botheration for you, because Python can be handled very nicely if you got basic knowledge about it, and probably we have the experts who are going to brief on that. And I don't want to extend my talk because, as Honorable Vice President already stated, this platform is for the resource person. But I wish to add some points like what he has stated. There are several fantastic initiatives are in pipeline, like the schemes, research promotional schemes, more drop schemes, which was once given or provided by the AICTE. Now the Pharmacy Council of India has already allocated the budget for that. And probably maybe in a month's time, because all purely through the online platform, it will be executed and it will be released. Again, there are some initiatives like capacity building, like the council wish to recruit the faculties to the industry, and faculties will be trained by the industry, and as per the policy, council want to sponsor that initiative. That is a capacity building program. Similarly, initiative like Center of Excellence, probably Salim sir knows it better, because the PCI want to tie up with some of the state organizations and established training centers, and the council is going to fund that. So such fantastic initiatives are already on the go, along with so-called the GPAT scholarship, which has been done for the students. So a lot more care and lot more emphasis is given for the whole stakeholder, and in which we teachers are the most important people. So whatever be the syllabus, will be the future model syllabus or maybe AI tech driven syllabus, ultimately we the teachers should implement it. So again, there are certain good schemes which maybe I'm not in a position to reveal now. Certain real good policies are already drafted for we the teachers, and I wish that it may be released very soon. And that will be I feel if it comes down, that will be one of the fantastic schemes from the PCI exclusively for the teachers. But due to some restriction, I'm not in a position to reveal it. So with these few words, I'm so glad that, thank you sir for inviting me. Thank you the management of PA Group of Institutions for having me here. Thanks a lot, and hope that we'll be having a fantastic session. We got learned people over here who are going to discuss with you. Thank you. Thank you. God bless and Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, sir, for sharing your valuable insights and enriching us with your thoughts. Your words will certainly inspire us to reflect upon and strengthen our role as pharmacy educators.
An appreciation for gracing this occasion with your presence, we would like to felicitate Dr. Sarath Chandran, Central Council Member, Pharmacy Council of India. May I request all the dignitaries on the dais to kindly felicitate our esteemed guest of honor with a memento.
We are honored to have with us a distinguished panel of dignitaries whose guidance and support have been instrumental in the growth and success of our institution. I now have the privilege of inviting our esteemed dignitaries to address the gathering and share their valuable thoughts.
Good morning all. Respected dignitaries on dais, respected dignitaries off the dais, faculty members from the various pharmacy colleges, respected principals from the various colleges, and the faculty members from the PA College of Pharmacy. At the outset, let me congratulate PA College of Pharmacy and for having this wonderful faculty development program in association with the Pharmacy Council of India. To talk about FDP, one thing, I'm not subject expert here, I'm from MBA background, but one thing I can say with a confidence that FDP is very important, because we are teaching to Gen Zs and we are teaching to the new gens, and it is now teacher role is like one of the challenging role. Correct? Because it is not like earlier. Now when we go to class, earlier it is like if we prepare for 1 hour, sometime the experienced faculties, they will be like, I had a professor when I was in PUC. It's like my sister also was a student of that professor, and my sister had told me that the sir will teach like this, so this will be his lecture and he will deliver like this, he will speak like this, it will be the lecture. And same thing I also experienced, in the sense she is to tell that sir, when he enter from the door he will start lecture, and the lecture will be like this and he will write like this. And she had given me the hint also. Suppose if you find difficulty to solve any of the mathematical things, you just do some mistake and give notes to him, he will solve it. Okay, like that was his routine practice. But that will not work nowadays, correct? My dear respected teachers, today it is very challenging, and here it is not that it should not be like what is there in syllabus. Today our role is to know what is not there in the syllabus. Today students want to know, okay, this is the syllabus of pharmacy and what more I will get to learn from this particular faculty member. Because when one of our engineering professor is to say, and principal is to say, like today it's like the student should not feel that if I miss the class of this professor, nothing is going to happen. Okay, if I miss the class of this professor, nothing is going to happen. I will put this into ChatGPT or Claude and any Gemini, and I will get this lecture, or I will get this lecture in YouTube. If that feeling comes, then that interest in the class, lecture will go. Today, it is our responsibility to create that curiosity, that tension among students, that if I miss the lecture of this professor, I am going to miss something great, something good. That feeling should be created among students. To create that feeling, I tell always to faculty members, then our preparation should be 50 times more than the earlier preparation. It is like we should able to teach the syllabus, which is the syllabus, in a way that student will feel that, okay, I'm going to miss it if I miss this lecture. I will not get this material from anybody else. I will not get these examples from anybody else. I will not get this lectures, this example, this practice from anybody else. That is our responsibility. For that, we should be well equipped. So when I was, because Salimullah sir, whenever we meet for lunch, he'll be discussing about new syllabus only, that our new syllabus is very good, it is drafted well. It is a need of our. We need good syllabus first good syllabus. Second thing, implementation of syllabus in an innovative way. And one more thing, good to see that AI is introduced. Artificial intelligence, it is like earlier when Python was introduced. Python was introduced during 2010 in most of the syllabuses. So when during 2010 this Python was discussed, it was like initial days. What is Python in our languages? What we say Python? It is snake, right? I was in graduation that time, BCom. Even when I entered here for MBA, I studied here only, I did MBA here only. So I saw workshop, this one, there was a workshop from computer science department, that Python workshop, that too for 10 days. I was thinking, what this computer science people will teach about snake? 10 days that too, 1 day is fine. 10 days they will teach about that too big snake. So I was thinking, then later I understood that it is a computer science related thing, but when I started teaching, I realized it is not for computer science, it is in MBA also. It has come to MBA. It started eating us, that too especially my domain, finance. It was introduced in stock market. Now you go to any of the discipline, you have Python, you have AIs. Okay, because it is making, especially in medical field, AI is used. Okay, and you just see, especially pharmacy people. Today, I told earlier also to our pharmacy students. Today, earlier we used to ask pharmacist about the tablets, right? Today people will not ask pharmacist. One tablet name is enough. They will put it in ChatGPT. They will check what will happen. Okay. Interestingly, recently one of the case where a student had taken 10 tablets together, he had put in the ChatGPT about the impact also. He had asked, because of the ChatGPT history, we came to know that he had 10 tablets. Okay, he had asked what will happen to me. I have consumed 10 tablets. Tell me the reaction of these tablets. So this is the trend which is there at place. That is why I said our role is challenging. Especially every teacher role is challenging. Your role is challenging because you are dealing with people, you are dealing with the patients, you are dealing with the different generations. Okay, you will have patients, young patients, old patients. Okay, so this is like challenging. You need to have your own domain knowledge, subject expertise. For that, this type of FDP will help you. You have to attend more and more FDPs. It is not for certificates, it is not for promotion, it is for being ready for the class lecture. That people should not feel, that students should not feel that, okay, let me miss this class. That's a challenging thing. None of the student of your class should feel that if I miss this class, nothing is going to happen. Okay, they should have a feeling that if I miss this lecture, I'm going to miss something. So that is your responsibility. That will happen because of the learning, continuous learning, that too learning from the student point of view. In the sense, present student point of view, if you learn, we can make the change, we can make the class interesting. So once again, I congratulate entire team and the team from Pharmacy Council of India also. I wish that this type of more workshops to be conducted, and we will always welcome, PA College of PA Institutes will always welcome for this type of workshops, and we will proud to host this type of workshop in future too. Thank you.
We now come to the presidential address. It is my privilege to invite Dr. Salimullah Khan, Principal, PA College of Pharmacy, to deliver the presidential address, new to inspire the academic community of our institution.
Mr. Sharfuddin PK, the AGM campus, Dr. Sarat Chandra, my colleague at Pharmacy Council of India, Dr. Munir Ahmad, a very senior teacher, all other dignitaries, the principals, esteemed principals from other institutions. I see Dr. Mutalik sir, who has traveled all the way from Ahmedabad, and he has spent sleepless night in Bangalore airport, and he has traveled here to attend this function. Thank you, sir. And Dr. Mallikarjun Gowda, Dr. Gururaj Patel, and resource persons, Dr. Anup, and my dear participants, a very good morning to all of you. As already told that this faculty development program is conducted to percolate down the essence of the syllabus which is implemented by Pharmacy Council of India, and which has been adopted by Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences in a recent function where the President, Honorable President of Pharmacy Council of India, Dr. Montu Kumar Patel, was the chief guest. And so now it is our duty to take it forward. All the affiliated colleges of RGHS, that the new syllabus is official. So there are many things in the new syllabus, as it was told earlier by Dr. Sarat Chandra, by the Vice President, Ms. Jasubai Patel, Jasubai Chaudhary ji, and it is very well thought syllabus. Syllabus is only a small written document. It is not a boundary. Syllabus is never a boundary. You have various ways to achieve what syllabus wants, and that is what our MBA director, Dr. Syed Amin, was telling, that you have to create such teaching methodologies upon which the students must seek your lecture every time. Okay, not that so predictable he will come and show some slides and go. Not like that. So this syllabus has so many things like AI, ML, And not only that, there are so many things like skill enhancement courses, value addition courses, okay, and ethical view of the pharmacist, and all those things are embedded in a shell of so-called the syllabus. And understanding the syllabus is very, very important. And as Jasubhai Chaudhary ji was telling, that the first time, and also Sharat told, that it is for the first time that Pharmacy Council of India has taken steps to, to make the faculty understand what the syllabus is. Earlier the syllabus was implemented, and the syllabus was implemented at various points of time. 2014 the syllabus was introduced, okay, and then different universities adapted at different point of time, some in 15, some in 16, some in 17, okay. So there was because of that delay in implementation, the overall in Indian course there were different syllabi was followed that point of time. During that transition period from 14 to 17, different syllabi was followed in different universities that time. But this time, for the first time, it has the council has made it mandatory to implement the syllabus at one stage. That means the entire country is adopting this syllabus together. So all the students in entire India who has taken admission for 26-27 batch will study this syllabus. Okay, that is one thing. Second thing is, it is taking step, the council is taking step to, conduct such faculty development program and make this faculty aware of this syllabus, and especially those areas where the syllabus looks like it is something a big mountain, okay, especially in the AI and ML, and which has to be communicated to the faculty that it is not that big. I think Anup Kishore will beautifully tell you, it is not that big a mountain as we think. Okay, this is very simple. So this is very, very important. And apart from that, the council has taken care that the syllabus should make the student a complete graduate. Okay, we just now we make a graduate with a degree, with a paper. Okay, we do not see what are the attributes of the degree holder after the completion of the degree. But the new syllabus ensures that the student should have all those attributes, okay, after attaining the degree. So that is why this syllabus is very beautiful, and the series of lectures are there, and Sharat will give little more insight into the syllabus soon after this stage program. Okay, and I must thank the management for giving me this opportunity to conduct this program, which is in association with the Pharmacy Council of India. And more importantly, I must place on record my heartfelt thanks to Pharmacy Council of India for accepting to provide this opportunity for PA College of Pharmacy to conduct this program. Okay, thank you very much.
Excellence have been instrumental in shaping PA College of Pharmacy into one of the leading pharmacy institutions in the country. Our recent achievement stands as a testament to the collective efforts and guidance under your leadership. We sincerely thank you for your continued inspiration and support.
Conclusion of this inaugural session, it is time to express our gratitude to all those who have contributed to making this program possible. I now invite Ms. Ashwati C., Associate Professor, Department of Pharmaceutics, to propose the vote of thanks.
Respected Patron, Honorable Chief Guest, Guest of Honor, Distinguished Guest, Resource Persons, Respected Principal, Vice Principal, Faculty Members, and dear participants, a very good morning to all. On behalf of PA College of Pharmacy, it is my privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this special occasion of the FTP on empowering pharmacy educators for the revised PCA curriculum under NEP 2020, outcome-based education, digital transformation, AI and emerging trends. First of all, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our respected patron, Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim, Managing Trustee, PA Educational Trust, for his constant support and encouragement in organizing this program. I extend my heartfelt thanks to our chief guest, Mr. Jashubai Hirabai Chowdhury, Vice President, Pharmacy Council of India, for sharing his valuable thoughts and guidance with us. My sincere thanks to our guest of honor, Dr. Sharat Chandran Chandrasekhar Shenoy, Central Council Member, PCI, Assistant Professor, Government Medical College, Kannur, Kerala, for his inspiring address and for motivating us with his valuable insights. Thank you, sir. I also thank our guest of honor, Dr. B. Munir Ahmed, Director, RATI, Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Bangalore, for his gracious presence. We truly appreciate the time he has taken to be with us today. Thank you, sir. I would also like to thank our distinguished guest, Mr. Sharafuddin PK, AGM, PA Educational Trust, Haris TD, Purchase Director, PA Educational Trust, and Dr. Saeed Amin Ahmad, Dean, Student Affairs, PA Educational Trust, Institutions, and Director, CMSR, PA College of Engineering. Your presence has made this program even more special, and we sincerely thank you for your encouragement and support. I express my heartfelt gratitude to our respected principal, Dr. Salimullah Khan, for his leadership, guidance, and continuous encouragement in making this program a success. Thank you, sir. My sincere thanks also go to our Vice Principal, Dr. Muhammad Mubin, for delivering the welcome address and for his dedicated efforts in coordinating this program. Thank you, sir. I also extend a warm welcome and sincere thanks to all the resource persons who have graciously accepted our invitation to be part of this faculty development program. We truly appreciate your willingness to share your knowledge and experience with us, and we look forward to the insightful sessions ahead. I would also like to thank all the members of organizing committee, faculty coordinators, volunteers, and supporting staff for their hard work, dedication, and teamwork in making today's inaugural program a success. A special word of thanks to Ms. Ravya and Ms. Triveni for serving as the Master of Ceremonies and conducting today's program so smoothly. I also thank Mr. Muhammad Salmanul Farish for the prayer that marked the beginning of this program. Finally, I sincerely thank all the faculty members and participants for your presence and active participation. Once again, I thank everyone who has contributed directly or indirectly to the success of the inaugural function. I wish all the participants to a fruitful, enjoyable, and enriching faculty development program. Thank you.
Wonderful program. Let us all rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल वंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय